Chanel inspired book. Stay tuned. I mean, I love Chanel and it's inspired by Chanel because I love Chanel the brand so much. I own their perfumes. Don't own a handbag yet. One day, maybe after this video. But yeah, I love this whole book because it's inspired by Chanel totally 100%. I love the brand. It's so feminine, it's so pretty. This just is inspired by it. It's not owned by Chanel. I just took inspiration to create this wonderful piece of art. So here is the book. I've used some quilted faux leather and a lot of these I bought online. So if you want to know where I bought them, the links will be below. Yeah, and this is just all inspired by Coco Chanel. So yeah, stay tuned. So grab your coffee, grab your tea, and let's do this DIY video. book DIY video. Give it Chanel inspired, I must say that. This is not got anything to do with Chanel in the sense that they did not create this book. This is just artwork, just putting it out there. Give this video a big fat thumbs up. If you're new to my channel and you enjoyed these DIY book content, subscribe down below and let me know what book designer you want to see me do next. Next is Gucci. Everyone get ready, we're going to be doing Gucci. So I've done Louboutin, Chanel, and Jimmy Choo. Next is going to be Gucci. So if you like Gucci, stay tuned. That's going to be coming up, I guess, next week. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, as I said, give it a big fat thumbs up. New to my channel, subscribe down below. Let me know what you liked in this video. Excuse my voice, I have the flu, and I'll see you dolls in the next one. Bye. Love you dolls. Or I can do a full love heart today. Love you dolls. Right in the Chanel logo. Am I right? There we go. Bye.